how to order food and drinks in Japanese. For example, can you say, "Can I get an iced coffee?" in Japanese? If you watch this video, you will learn a simple and easy way to order what you want at a cafe or a restaurant. Okay, let's get started. When you wanna say, "Can I have something?" you can say, "something お願いします." something お願いします。お願いします is a word used when you ask someone to do something for you. The closest word in English would be please. You can also say something ください but お願いします sounds more polite than ください. And お願いします is a super useful word that can be used in many situations. It has infinite possibilities. So we'll practice this phrase today. All you have to do is to put the name of food or drinks here. You can also ask for a menu, fork, plate, or tap water in the same way. 喉が渇いた. I'm thirsty. Okay, now let's order something to drink. We're gonna go for an iced coffee. Iced coffee is called アイスコーヒー in Japanese. So you can say アイスコーヒーお願いします。アイスコーヒーお願いします。Iced coffee please sounds casual, but don't worry. アイスコーヒーお願いします sounds polite and it's a very common way to order food or drinks. Some of you might be wondering if you don't need a word to describe how many. Yes, that's a good point. Grammatically, it is not necessary in Japanese to add a word indicating number to a noun. It's different from the English grammar rule. If you say, アイスコーヒーお願いします, the waiter will assume you are ordering one iced coffee. But by adding one word after the name of things, you can tell them how many you want. We will learn it in the next video. For now, let's practice the simplest way to master it step by step. Okay, let's go get some food and drinks together. On a plane to Japan, お飲み物はいかがですか? Would you like something to drink? コーラお願いします。At a ramen restaurant. 味噌ラーメンお願いします。At a maid cafe. You want that cute food but don't know how to read Japanese characters and there's no English on the menu. But you'll be fine. Just point out what you want and say, これお願いします。これお願いします。これ means this or this one. So it means, can I have this? This phrase could be your secret weapon. Secret weapon. If you like this video, please press the like button as a reward for my work. 宿題です。Today's homework. Please pick out a drink on the menu and practice ordering it in the comment section. Oh, don't you have a menu? No, I don't. メニューお願いします。Great job! Here you are. We have コーヒー、ホットコーヒー、カフェオレ、アイスカプチーノ、コーヒーフロート、紅茶、ミルクティー、アイスティー、アイスレモンティー、オレンジジュース、アップルジュース、サイダー、クリームソーダ。What can I get for you? ご注文は何になさいますか? Thank you for watching this video to the end. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. またね